Module 36 BUGFIX. Another free lesson to help you become a better coder. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your continued support helps make these videos possible. And as always, I thank you all for watching this video. In this video, we are going to find and get rid of the bug. Alright, let's go get it. Let's go get it. Good morning, good morning. Alright, it's early Monday. I have a couple of hours before my day job, but let me show you what I have. I've got a comment here. Right here. Usman. He said, I just noticed that if you click on task on the calendar on the main menu, the activity is defaulted, which is fine. However, if you click on the task, it barks at you. So let's take a look at the task. Let's look at the task. Let's see what is going on. Let's close that down. Let's go to let's go to all project. Let's go to all project. Project management. So I'm just going to go into this latest one here. We're not going to make a copy yet. I want to see what is going on before we do anything to it. So let's go in there. This is the previous video that I did. So let's go there. So he said if we click on this, there's an error. Oh, there is an error. I have no idea what it is. Alright. And it doesn't load correctly. So, you know what? Let's close that out. We are going to close that down. And let's back up. Alright, we're going to debug this guy. We are going to debug here. Let's make a copy of that latest one then. Since we haven't found the bug, but we know there was a bug. So let's make a copy and paste. And this one is going to be, I didn't want to make a copy because I haven't, let's call this one 36 BUGFIX. BUGFIX. Yeah, we're just gonna fix the bug today. Alright, so let's go in there, open it up, enable that. Task. Let's see, right here. It's on this guy. No, it's on this guy. Try to think what happens when you click on that guy. So let's go to main. Hold on. It's on the calendar. So I'm trying to think here. Yep, it's on this guy. So I'm gonna select this guy and go into this event. Alright, right here, when we click on this guy, display month, we need to actually, you know what we need to do? We just go ahead and run this guy. Don't save this just yet because we haven't found where it is. Let's go to yeah, let's do that. Let's go click. Alright, and now go debug. Okay, alright, it's right there. It has to do with this guy right here because we are not logged in and we're passing in something that is not set right here. Okay, let's think. What we need to do though, let's see, you cannot validate an object that is not set. You cannot validate an object that is not set. Let's think through here. And that guy, well, you know what? Let me show you. Let's stop there. I'm gonna stop there. I think we can do this. We know there is an employee ID as string on the main form. Alright, so if we take a look at this guy right here, main form. Alright, scroll down a little bit here. See right here? See on close, we close. When we close, we set that to null value. All right, let me show you. Disable right here. When we disable the button, you see here, we set this guy to null. All right, so what we need to do is we need to find out if this guy is null or not null. We need to know if this guy is null or not null. All right, so we know that. So I'm just, yeah. So what we need to do then on here, we need to find out what that guy is. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I am going to go to a one of these subforms, the calendar subform right here. Let's take a look, see if is there okay. So this is actually where it is. Display. It marks right here number of tasks because this guy is not set. We're not signed in, that's why. You know what, I'm gonna take this out. I don't want it there. Copy. I want it over here. This is where the calendar is set. So I'm just gonna say dim right here. Because when we select the option 1 or 2, we call this guy. Alright. We actually want to do this if and ID equals I think we can do this. equals forms, what is that, main navigation .txt employee ID. Hold on, what is going on? Oh, if the my bad, this is what I meant to do. And then we can say if sm hold on, just a sec here. Well, if this guy is null, you cannot set that to a null value. Yeah, if this guy is null, you cannot set that guy to a null value. Well, let's do this first. If it doesn't, I'll show you how to fix that. See if this will work. If not is null, yeah, I don't think you can set a null value. So if it's not null, we want the calendar to do this. All right, we want the calendar to do this. Now, if you wonder why I did not do it here where I was thinking about it, this is where it barks. It says, hey, that object, this object, the employee object was not set. All right, and that's the problem. Not this guy, it's this object. Why didn't I do it here? Well, this right here was called from here, you see. See, that's why I was looking at this and then I noticed here. And this, if I'm not mistaken, is called from when we display the calendar. See there? Display the number of items. That's the reason why. Alright? Display the number of items right there. So we actually don't want it to call these two guys, either the activity or this guy. If we don't want it to call if this guy is nothing or is null, I think that will work. If not, I'm going to show you how to make it work. Alright, so let's take a look now. Do we have any form open here in the back? Let's try to jump back. See there, invalid use of null. I didn't think you can set that null value there. Alright, we know that guy is null. We haven't signed in, you see. Yep, so as expected, you cannot set this as null, just like I said. Alright, so if you were to do this, that's what you encountered, invalid use of null value. Alright, but that's okay. I will show you how to make it work. Alright, so, and that's the reason why I want to do this first, just in case you guys were wondering. Alright, so I already knew that. Now we're gonna make this guy work. We want to say if if is it IIF there, IIF, yeah, IIF, we want to do that. So if it's null, no, we don't want that. We want to make it easy way. NC, that's easier. Just do that. So if it's null, we want an empty string, not a null string, an empty string. Now we can take this out. Now we can take this out. We can say if not, yeah, and that should work. All right, that should work. All right, let's stop there. Let's try again. Click on test. Look at that. That's nice and simple. All right. So now we are able to do it. All right. So we're gonna flip on that. Now come on over here and take a look. Stop right there. Put a break right there. Click on that guy, see where it jumps, exactly where I expect it to come in. So before it calls this before it calls this guy and make a call to this guy, it's going to validate first. Alright, we know this guy is not set because we have not signed in, you see. Alright, we have not signed in. Now we set this guy to this value. But if this value is null, we wanted to make it an empty string. Alright, remember I mentioned that you cannot set anything to a null value. That's impossible. Alright, and this is how you overcome that issue. Now this guy is actually an empty string. You see that it says equals to double quotes. Alright, so if we F5 right now, F8 rather, it's going to jump over this guy all the way to the end if. So let's do F8. See there, it jumps all the way to the end if. It doesn't even go in there. Alright, and that's how you do it. Nice and simple. Well, that was short, real short. And this one was from Usman. Usman, thank you very much. Yeah, any of you guys, if you find an error, an issue with the project, the video, the code, you let me know, alright? I guarantee you 100%. Guarantee you 100% we can fix it. Alright, that's it. That was quick and easy. Alright, so alright, well, that's nice and simple. There you have it. And thank you, Usman. Thank you. Yep, let me know if you find error, okay, or bug. That wasn't an error, that's a bug. Bug means something causes something to not working. Alright, happy programming, people. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.